What's up, everybody? Earl here, coming to you from mgmclassiccars.com. Check out this beauty, 1966 Chevy Nova, powered by a 350 V8, double hump heads. I mean, this thing is clean, restored. It's got an automatic TH350 with a 2800 stall on it, upgraded headers, 4-barrel Holley. Just nice running car, sitting on 14-inch American racing wheels. Body's clean. It's got a couple flaws. We'll go through them so you know exactly what you're getting. Look how nice it is in here. Nicely painted, all done right. Upgraded headers. MSD. Optimal battery. I like those little catches there. How they did that with the caps. Cute. Big high rise on there. Clean, clean, clean. All your front chrome is good. All your badging. All your lights are working the way they should. Turn signals. It lines up great all the way throughout. Just the right gap all the way. Real clean body. Front windshield's in good shape. Wipers are working. And it's a little badged up 327. American racing wheels. Nice. All your driver's glass, rear quarter, all good. Look how nice this is inside here. All your original welds, all your weather stripping's good throughout. It's got the vent windows. Nice. I like those. Clean. Nice interior. All your belts are there. Your deck, real tight. Nice and tight. Nice bench seat. This rear quarter's in great shape. Nicely badged up. Original. That's nice. All your weather stripping's good. All the way throughout. Another original quarter. Nice. Trunk is in good shape all the way through. Just the way it should be. It's got a 12-bolt rear end, posi traction. Get underneath her skirt so you can take a look. Nice. I'll take some pictures, get some photos of the underneath. It's really clean. This car scoots. Drives out real well. Stops well. All your chrome in the back is good. All your badging. Great. This quarter is good all the way through. Here's your little flaws. Little stuff inside here. Looks like it's been touched up a little bit. Rear glass is good and roof line. Good, good, good. Door panels in good shape. All your weather stripping on this side, as well as nice and original door there. Yeah, the paintwork is great with just a few flaws, that's all. This fender, no stories, no touch-ups. That's a nice, nice car. Nice runner. Now let's fire this baby up. $31,999 miles. Gas gauge is working. Doesn't look like the volt gauge is working. Oil pressure and temp is working. They're beautiful, great stance. It's a nice car. I mean, granted, it's over 50 years old. There's always something to do a little, but that's just part of the hobby. But this is nice, solid car. Let me get down on an angle. Flows all the way through. Nothing waving back at you, folks. It's a nice paint job, real nice car. Yeah, temperature gauge is working. If you're looking to do some financing with us, and you're anywhere from a 639 to a 740, go directly to our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Find the car, fill out the app, 10% down, up to 84 months financing. If you are a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Usually approval within 24 hours, up to 84 months financing, sometimes no money downs with good rates, anywhere from 3 to 5% right now, depending on the term. Look at that thing. Nice car. We've got over 100 vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. All our pricing, description, photos, and videos are online. We also ship all over the United States, bonded and insured, enclosed and open. If you have any questions on any of our vehicles or need quotes on shipping, please text me or call me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We are located in Addison, Illinois, 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. We are here Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday from 10 to 2, by appointment only. This way you get in, spend some time with your car. There's only a few of us here, so please give me a call or text me and I'll get you an appointment at 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. There's a little red button on the bottom. Just hit that. Like us on Facebook. Share it with your friends. And thank you for spending some time on this beautiful red Chevy 2 with me. We'll see you soon. Have a good day.